Good morning, class. As yesterday we have done with our revision test of chapter 10 Beauty and the Beast part 2. And today we are going to continue with the same. Today I'm going to take the revision of who said the following. That is the part of chapter 10 only. And in homework I hope you all have learned that for your revision test. Now in this I have given you 6 who said the following, that is from A to G. You have to note down, first of all, note down all the questions using black pen as you do already, and all the answers you have to write with blue pen. After writing each first question, you have to write the answer of that. After writing the second, you have to write the answer of question second. You have to continue the same like this only. Now, open to a fresh page in your notebooks for starting revision 2 from there. Now, let us begin with the revisions in our notebooks. Now, today, as I have already told you that we are going to write a revision 2, that was from chapter 10. I hope you all have learned who said the following. Now, first of all, put today's date. Open a new page on that. Put today's date, classwork. Chapter 10, Revision 2, Beauty and the Beast, Part 2. Put the heading, who said the following. In this, I have given you 6 who said the following over here. One after the other, you have to write like this only. After question A, you have to write the answer of that, form a small line and write question B. After writing question B, write it answer and form a line at the end. Continue the same till G. After G, form a line at the end. Now, first one is, who on the earth is he? In this, you have to tell who was that creature who was there. Who on the earth is he? You have to tell it who have said these lines. Now, second one is, and mine. Who said this? And mine. C1 is, and it smells so sweet. You have to tell who have said this. I think you all remember that this line is being said when this rose was being smelled. In this, you have to tell who smelled the rose. Question D is, shall I clear your plates away now? Who said this? After eating the breakfast, when Dash asked that, shall I clear all the plates? You have to write that name over here. Question is, he was frightening to look at. He was just frightening to look at. F1 is, hurry up with that cleaning. Said, hurry up and do that fast. G1 is, he did not harm you, did he? This line is being said when someone is worried over here. You have to tell, he did not harm you, did he? Now, let us repeat the questions one again. Question A is, who on the earth is he? B is, and mine. C is, and it smells so sweet. D1 is, shall I clear your plates away now? E1 is, he was frightening to look at. F1 is, hurry up with that cleaning. G1 is, he did not harm you, did he? Now, in this, write all the questions using black pen and all the answers using blue pen. After writing question A, you have to write the answer. After writing question B, write the answer of that. After writing question C, continue the same till G. After writing till G, you have to form a line at the end. Now, after completing this revision 2, what homework for you all for tomorrow is, you have to learn the word meaning of chapter 12, that is Ravi and the Weeping Princess part 1. You have to learn the word meanings and question and answer thoroughly of chapter 12. Again I am repeating, of chapter 12 Ravi and the Weeping Princess part 1. You have to learn it thoroughly because tomorrow I am going to take revision 3 from chapter 12 only. So learn it thoroughly. Only learn the word meanings and answer the following questions of that. Thank you.